I got these for Christmas this year. I was pretty excited. I was like, oh, look at this. This looks fancy. Premium socks. It was a gift from my husband. Something you need to know about my husband. He's a jerk. I love him. He's a jerk, but he's my jerk. And it's an ongoing conversation we've had. Let me get him right side up. I don't snore. He got these for me because he swears I snore. I do not snore. I've never heard myself snore. He snores like a freight train, but now he can tell me that I snore like a jetliner with the planes going on here. All kidding aside, I do love him. Our marriage is great. And I do snore. I've woken myself up. These are really hilarious. If you have a sleeping chainsaw in your house, and as long as they have a good sense of humor, grab them these.